Hi mathematicians! In this video we're going to look at a Regents question about multiplying binomials. Before we look at this, we need to discuss a few vocabulary words. A constant is a number with no variable. The degree is the biggest exponent. Terms are separated by plus and minus signs. And finally, the leading coefficient is the number in front of the variable with the degree. So now we can look at this example. When the product of m squared minus 5m and 2m plus 3 is expressed as a polynomial in standard form, we need to find each of these. So the first thing to remember is product means multiply. So we're going to write our two polynomials in parentheses because that also means multiply. So there's our first one and here's our second one. Now we need to distribute each of the first term to the second polynomial. So I'm going to put m squared with our second polynomial, 2m plus 3, and then minus 5m with our second polynomial. Now we can distribute this. M squared multiply 2m. Remember we have this exponent of 1. So we're going to get 2m and 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Next we're going to multiply m squared by 3. That's going to be plus 3m squared. Because 3 is just a constant, and put the m squared with it. Now we're going to multiply negative 5 times 2m. Negative 5 multiply 2 is negative 10. M multiply m. Remember they both have that exponent 1. So we get m squared. And finally, negative 5m multiply 3. That's negative 15m. Now that we've distributed, we need to add our like terms. The 2m to the 3 has no other like terms, no exponent 3 other than this one. Now we have plus 3m squared minus 10m squared, both have exponent 2. So that gives us minus 7m squared. And the minus 15m has no like terms as well. So now let's look. It's asking for a constant. Constant has no variable. In this example, all of our numbers have variables. So our constant is 0. We have no constant. Let's do the degree next. The degree is the biggest exponent. So what's our biggest exponent here? 3. What number is in front of the degree? 2. That's our leading coefficient. And let's count our number of terms. 1, 2, 3. They're separated by these two minus signs. That's all for this video. Good luck with the next question.